61 crash brought traffic to a standstill. Good evening, I'm Dylan Austin.
And I'm Mackenzie Henderson. We start with a breaking news update. We now know why a crash happened between a car and a tractor in Missouri tonight on Highway 61 near Taylor.
Missouri state troopers say the driver of the car fell asleep and ran the car into the spreader on the back of a tractor. They say that it happened at the intersection of Highway 61 and Highway 61 South and County Road 344 in Marion County about 5:45 this evening. Troopers say it's just another reminder that it's critical for drivers to pay attention.
The public should be cognizant that this is a harvest season for the farmers. A lot of farm implements, combines, spreaders, all sorts of different implements on the roadways, and they are slow moving, so they need to give yourself some extra time to react to those.
And troopers say traffic was back to normal at about 7 p.m. Both drivers are okay. The car had to be towed. The tractor was able to leave the scene.